Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to easily and quickly use string combiner boxes from Phoenix Contact in unprotected outdoor areas. To do this, we use our so-called weather protection cover. The weather protection cover made of stainless steel is intended to protect the string combiner box from direct sunlight and rain. How do I install the system? In the first step, I use the outer mounting points to set the markings. In the second step, I pre-drill accordingly, use suitable anchors, and then, very important, before I mount it on the wall, I need to ground the system. For this purpose, there is an M8 grounding bolt provided on the back. The mounting material for the connection is also included in the scope of delivery. I have now grounded the system. I have screwed it in place. And now in the final step, I just need to mount the string combiner box on the weather protection cover. Okay, first we need to remove the cover of the string combiner box. We do this by loosening the 4 outer mounting screws. Once we've done that, we can remove the cover, and in the next step, we need to position the string combiner box on our weather protection cover. Now we use the outer mounting points of the lower housing and take the screws that are also included in the scope of delivery and simply connect them to the weather protection cover. A total of 4 pieces on all 4 sides. Once we have done this and are finished with the overall assembly, we can screw the cover of the string combiner box back on. And that's it. That's how very easy it is to install our weather protection cover for our string combiner boxes.